Mm.
Hey guys, it's Uncle Chris here, and I wanted to share with you some food that me and my wife had went and got. Well, we were driving and we seen a food truck. They stopped there a lot, different ones, but this one caught my eye. It's called barbecue, 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 barbecue. All right, so I'm
What's the sauce, the dip?
and this is barbecue sauce, but we're gonna try that out too. So I'm gonna open these dips up. They smell good too, yo. Let's see. Look how tender this is.
That's the chicken.
That's the chicken, y'all. So let's see what this is. It's good, but it's honey. That's honey. It's real good. That's the barbecue. Awesome. How far to die for? Yeah,
You really like it?
mac and cheese. See, I'm a mac and cheese connoisseur, so mm, the mac and cheese is okay, but the meat is better than the mac and cheese. It's a little, you know, it's cheesy. I'm not a fan of it, but you may be a fan of it. I'll talk to you later.